This video will show you exactly how to report your crypto taxes using TurboTax step by step. First, understand this. Every time you sell, trade, or spend crypto, it can be a taxable event. Even swapping one coin for another counts. Inside TurboTax, go to Wages and Income, then Investments and Savings, and select Cryptocurrency. From there, you can import your transactions directly from exchanges or upload them manually. Make sure your cost basis is correct. That's what determines your profit or loss. If you have a lot of transactions, tools like CoinTracker or Coinly can automate everything and sync with TurboTax. Review your info, submit, and you're done. Follow for more simple tutorials like this.